Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Cake from Battle for Dream Island. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing a line across for the top of the body. Then from both sides, let's curve it down. And then from the bottom left, let's draw a curve in. And then close off the bottom with a line across. Next, inside the body, let's start on the top left and let's draw a line across. Then from the right, let's bring it down. And then one more line across the bottom here. Next, inside, let's draw the face. Let's start by drawing two slanted ovals for the eyes. And then color them both in black. Now on top of each eye, let's draw a curve going down for the eyebrows. And then a curve up on an angle for the mouth. And that's it for the face. Now let's move on top and let's draw the whipped cream. Let's start on the top left and we're going to draw a curve up and then bring it over to the right side. Now from the end, let's curve it back down, stopping here. Then let's curve it out to the right and back down. Now next to the whipped cream on the right here, let's draw a small curve up. Then let's curve it out and over to the right. Now for the end, let's bring it down and curve it back in. Next, let's hop to the bottom and let's add the legs. Let's start with two angled lines underneath the body. Then curves going outwards for the feet. And color them both in black. And that's it for Cake. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!